What's up with it, Locked In Film? Welcome back to another episode of Locked In with Trey, and today we are going to do another beard update and talk about some products that I've upgraded to. So without further ado, let's get into this update. As y'all can see, your boy has come a long way. Oh, I need to pick this out right here. But as you can see, your boy has come a long way. You know what I'm saying? Got the soul patch, the mustache, you know what I'm saying? Goatee area is coming in real thick and nice. Let me know down below what y'all think about these gains right here. Many of you who've been keeping up with the updates, the beard updates, y'all know exactly where I started from. So to go from looking like that to looking like this is big improvements, big gains, all big gains. For those of you who are struggling with getting hair on your cheek sides, you know what I'm saying? All you need is a little bit of patience and the right product and routine. You have to get your routine together, starting with taking biotin and collagen pills. Go to Walmart, go to Target, go to any local supermarket, and they will have what you need. Biotin, whether it's 10,000 mcg or 5,000 mcg, take your pick and continue taking those daily while you're doing your routines and while you're trying to get your gains up to par. Also, you need to get you a good beard oil. I have other videos explaining my beard oils, the stuff that I use. You need to go and get you a good beard oil. It doesn't matter if it's argan oil, coconut oil. It doesn't matter if it's black Jamaican castor oil or regular castor oil. You need a good oil that you can keep up with and you like the feel of. There's some oils that's more watery than others and some that's more thicker than others. Like the black Jamaican castor oil is a little thicker, so you don't need that much, maybe just a little dot. But there's other oils like argan oil and coconut oil, which is a little lighter than the black Jamaican castor oil. But you don't need all of those oils if you don't want them. If you want to switch on and switch off, you can do that, but make sure you stick to an oil and see if it gives you the results that you are looking for. Now, getting into a new product, which is not new, it's been in the game for a long time, but a new product to me that I've started using and I've noticed a lot of gains from, this wild growth hair oil right here. Now, I know it's kind of blurry. I don't know why it won't focus. Maybe it's in the blurry zone. But anyway, if you heard of the wild growth hair oil, this stuff works wonders. You know, I don't know if you can see, but right up in here, I got a whole bunch of new vellus hairs and new hairs growing. Even on this side up here. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but yeah, I got a whole bunch of new vellus hairs growing up here. I'm ready for them to come down this way, you know what I mean, and go on and connect the neck. The wild growth hair oil is another one of those oils that's light based. It's not as heavy as the black Jamaican castor oil, and it gets the job done. And it seems to be improving me a little bit faster than the other oils, but I've used all of them and all of them have given me gains. So don't think that those other oils don't give you the results. They do work. They bring you the gains that you're looking for. But this wild growth oil, I've only been on it for maybe 2 weeks, and I've already noticed some new things happening with the beard gain. So check out the wild growth hair oil. I got it from Walmart. You can probably get it from other places, other supermarkets, but everybody has a Walmart. Go hit up Walmart and get you some wild growth in your life. I'm still using the Minoxidil. I still hit that every blue moon, you know what I mean? I haven't been doing it daily like I should, but I do it like every other day or every other day, you know what I'm saying? But I make sure I take my biotin pills every day. I make sure I'm brushing and picking my hair every day, making sure I have at least a little bit of oil on my face every day, you know what I mean? I don't want it to be dry. If it look dry, it's time to do something about it. As well as making sure you're keeping your beard washed. I wash my beard maybe, I would say like once to 2 times a week, depending on how active I've been throughout the week. And I go to the gym religiously, so if I'm getting in a crazy sweat, I make sure that I'm knocking my beard out at least twice a week, you know what I'm saying? Washing it, making sure it's healthy, making sure all the grime and dirt is out of it, and we good. I ain't even gonna hold you. I can't remember how many weeks it's been, how many months it's been since I've started growing my sides back. You know, because when I first started my beard journey had to been about a year ago. And since then, I've cut the sides off and rocked the thick goatee. And recently, it hasn't been that long ago since I've shaved my sides, but I can't remember exactly when at the moment. It's probably been around, what, maybe, let's say 3 months now? 3 months. So this is probably like 3 months of a grow back, which is pretty good for me because I'm a slow grower, man. My genetics don't allow me to shave everything and then I get it right back in a week or two. It would usually take me a few months to see a little bit. If I was to shave all of this off and be barefaced, oh man, I'll be back to looking like a teenager almost. And I don't plan on doing that anytime soon. But all in all, man, I'm excited about these gains. I hope you all are inspired by what you see, because trust me, I was somebody who couldn't grow none of this. none of this up under my face, especially under the chin area. All that was a no-go, and my goatee was very small, you know what I'm saying? So trust me, you can get the gains. Now, genetics play a part in it on how fast you grow and where the hair shows up the most, but with the perfect products, Minoxidil, beard oil, brushing your beard, picking your beard, washing your beard, you know what I mean? Doing all of that stuff will lead you to success. But anyways, make sure y'all like this video, share it to others who need to see it. It's your boy Locked In with Trey. I'll see y'all on the next video. All right, peace.